Welcome everyone. This is Solitech Academy. So in our last class, we discussed on quadratic equations where we looked at solving the quadratic equation using the complete square method. So in today's class, we want to look at the derivation of what? Of quadratic formula. So how was the quadratic formula derived? So generally, some people call it Almighty formula. So how do we derive the Almighty formula? So let's see how it was derived. So first, for us to get the quadratic formula, the formula was gotten from what? From the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we are going to apply what? We are going to apply what we call the completely square method to what? To solve this, to derive this formula. So the formula is what? X is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over what? Over 2. So this is general formula. So how do we now get this formula? This formula we got it using what? Using completely square method. So let's now look at how we are going to get it. So we follow the completely square method. So I say what? Using completing the square method. For completing square method, what is the first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to what? I'm going to get what? The complement of what? Of x squared. It means that if the complement of x squared is what? If it is greater than 1, what do? You divide that coefficient through. Divide it through. That is, you divide the complement of x squared by bx by c and by 0. So in this case we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is what? A is greater than, is not 1. So this a is not 1. This is not 1. This is what? It's not a number. It's a letter. So since it's not 1, the complement of x squared is a. So what I'm going to do is that we are going to divide through by what? By a. So dividing through by what do you have? Divided by a, divided by a, divided by a, divided by a. What do you have? You have x squared plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to what? 0. So next thing is for us to bring this constant to the other side. We're going to have x squared plus bx over a is equal to what? Minus c over a. So the next thing for us to get is to get the what? The coefficient of x. The coefficient of x, which is what? What's the coefficient of x here? That is b over a. Then you now find what? Find the half of the coefficient of x. This coefficient of x. So the half of coefficient of x is what? 1 over 2 times b over a. I'll give us what? B over 2a. Then the next thing for us is what? Is for us to square this half. This coefficient of x. This coefficient of x. I'm going to do what? I'm going to square this thing. So when we square it now, square of coefficient of x. So the square will now be what? B over 2a all square. That will be what? B square over 4a square. So this b square over 4a square, what do we do to it? We add it to both sides. So add it to this left hand side and what? To the right hand side. So I'm going to have x square plus bx over a plus b square over 4a square is equal to what? Minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. So what are left here is for us what? To factorize this equation. We are going to what? Factorize this equation. So how do you factorize it? So you take x, you take this x, you take b. Then you know that we want to get 4a squared. I want to get b squared. So it means that I'm going to have x plus b over 2a. Why? Because if we add b over 2a. We write it together. That is b over 2a. b over 2a plus b over 2a. What will give us? Give us what? b over a. That is half plus half. That is 1. That's the meaning. So give us b over a. So you're going to, so and when you times this one, what do you give us? Give us what? B square over 4a square, and s will be there. So you just have x plus b over 2a all squared to be equal to what? So the SM of 4a squared and a is what? 4a squared. So 4a squared divided by a, that is 4a. 4a times minus c, minus 4ac, plus 4a divided by 4a, 4 squared divided by 4a squared, that is 1. 1 times b, that is b. So this one now you can confirm, you can check if it is correct or not. When you multiply, when you open this bracket, you are going to have x plus b over 2a bracket x plus b over 2a. So to check if this thing will give us this value, x times x is what? S squared. X times b over 2a, that is what? Plus bx over 2a plus bx over 2a. Then b over 2a times b over 2a, that is what? Plus b squared over 4a squared. So this is what? S squared. B over 2a plus b over 2a, that is what? Plus bx over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So that is correct. So here I'm going to have what? You can change the direction. You can change the direction, which is you can make b minus 4ac over 4a squared. So what do we have? So I'm going to have x plus b over 2a all squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Sorry, over 4a squared. So what do we do next? We find the square root of both sides. So square root of both sides, what will they give us? So square both sides. Square both sides. So square cancel out what? Root. What to have x plus b over 2a is equal to what? So the square root here you can split it. So give both of them that square root. So square root of what? B square minus 4ac over square root of what? 4a squared. So here, whenever you have square root, you know you are going to have what? Plus or minus. Abi? Plus or minus. So you have plus or minus here. So then you have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus square root of what? B square over 4 plus minus 4ac over the square root of 4a squared is what? That is 2a. 2a. Then you can now bring this plus b over 2a to the other side because I want to make x out of the formula. So we are going to have x equals minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac over 2a. So LCM of 2a and 2a is still 2a. That will be 2a. 2a divided by 2, that is what? 2a divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times minus b plus or minus square root. So the same thing, 2 divided by 2a, 1. 1 times whatever we have here, see the same thing. So our x is equal to. So you can tell us our value about. So this is our what? This is our formula. This is the general formula. So what is the what? Quadratic formula. This is the what? Quadratic formula. So we have derived the quadratic formula. So this is how what? This is how the quadratic formula was gotten. So you can see it is something that is quite straightforward. So if you have any questions as regards this class or other classes I've done, please kindly put them in the comments below. share. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.